Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best protein powder for energy. Protein powder can be a fantastic tool to help you maintain consistent energy throughout your day. It works by providing a steady release of amino acids, which helps to stabilize your blood sugar and prevent those common energy crashes. We'll explore how different types of protein contribute to this and what key ingredients can further enhance your vitality. Get ready to power up your routine. When choosing a protein powder for energy, the type of protein matters. Whey protein, for instance, is quickly absorbed, making it excellent for a rapid energy boost, especially after exercise. Casein, on the other hand, digests slowly, providing a sustained release of energy that can keep you feeling full and energized for hours. Plant-based options, such as pea or brown rice protein, offer a complete amino acid profile and are great for those with dietary restrictions, delivering consistent energy without dairy. Beyond just protein, certain added ingredients can significantly enhance your energy levels. Many powders now include caffeine, often around 95 to 140 milligrams per serving, for an immediate pick-me-up. Creatine, typically 3 to 5 grams per serving, is excellent for boosting power during intense workouts. B vitamins are vital for your body's natural energy production, helping convert food into fuel. Some blends also feature adaptogens, like ashwagandha or raisin mushroom, to help your body manage stress and maintain focus. To get the most energy from your protein powder, choose wisely. Look for products with low or zero added sugars to prevent energy spikes and crashes. A serving size providing 20 to 30 grams of protein is generally effective for sustained energy and muscle support. Always check for third-party testing to ensure product quality and safety. You can easily mix your powder with 8 to 12 ounces of water or milk, or blend it into a smoothie with fruits and vegetables for a complete, energizing meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.